Hello everyone. So we have given 10 plus 1 equal 11. That's correct. 10 plus 2 equal 12. 10 plus 3 equal 13. So 10 plus A equal B. So we have to find the value of A and B. So did you crack the logic and find the value of A and B? If you then comment down below, and if you haven't, watch my solution in this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and hit the notification bell, because here on the channel we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in logical reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So now take a good look to the resolution of this logical sequence. So 10 plus 1 is 11, that's correct. 10 plus 2 is 12. So what we have seen, 1, 2, 3. So what is the next number here? 4. So the value of A is 4. So let's put it 10 plus 4 is 14. So value of B is 14. So A is 4 and B is 14. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.